Hey, what's up, guys? Yogesh here, and today we are diving into the Infinix Hot 30i, a budget smartphone that's been making us some waves in the market. Now, I have gone through a tons of user review, and it's time to break down what the people are saying. So, buckle up, guys. We are about to dissect the Infinix Hot 30i. First of all, let's talk about the display. It's always a make or break features, and here's the deal. It seems like opinion are split right down the middle. About 52% users are vibing with the clarity, touch response, and the attractive blue color. On the flip side, the remaining 48% are facing a different story. We are talking touch issues, poor quality, and some users even mention their display not working at all. So now that's the red flag. Next up, the powerhouse of any device, the battery. Is pretty much a tight race here, with 51% users giving the thumbs up for the good battery performance. On the other side of the track, the remaining 49% are dealing with the battery blues, drainage problem, backup concerns, you name it. It's like the Hot 30i has its own energy crisis going on. Now let's talk about charging. And well, this is where things get a bit grim. Only 4% of users seems content with the charging speed. The whopping 96%, they have got some serious grievances. Slow charging, charger heating up, sounds like a recipe for a frustration. Moving on to the eyes of the Hot 30i, the camera. 60% of users are clicking away happily, praising the camera quality and features, but it's not all sunshine. The other 40% are painting a different pictures. Disappointing performance, discrepancy in the advertised specification, and a fair bit of meh in the camera department. Last but not least, the sound. And here, my friends, is a bit of downer. 80%, well, they stuck dealing with the speaker volume issue, call quality problems. It's like the Hot 30i needs to turn up the volume on his sound game. So where does that leave us with the Infinix Hot 30i? Well, it's a mixed bag. Some users are enjoying design, display, and camera, while others are facing challenges with the battery, charging, and sound. If you're on a tight budget and willing to compromise a bit, the Hot 30i might still be on the table. But as always, it comes down to what you prioritize in a smartphone. What's your take on the Infinix Hot 30i? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. And until next time, this is Yogesh signing out.